Hi friends, it's Audrey here from 1824 Walker Farmhouse and welcome back to the farm. It's April and we've had a lot of unseasonably warm days, so spring cleanup is going along really good. Oh my goodness, look at this wood. Our friends Ron and Sarah gave us not one, but two loads of cut and split wood. All we have to do is stack it. Oh, we were just so excited. Thank you, Ron and Sarah.
Feel like I need to do it over again. Chuck, let's load it back up. We can do this right one.
Thanks again, Ron and Sarah. And look at his fancy dancy dump trailer. Farmer Dave absolutely loves it. I'm down the Walker House cellar, and this is where we have our workshops. But I forgot to show you this the last time in our new finds. I really like it. It's down here. I forgot about it because I took it all apart and was cleaning it. It came out of an old house, and I believe it to be, a really cool folk art piece. At first I thought it was upside down, but the drawers, they were this way. So I thought, maybe not. And then I saw like the tracks, the cutout tracks were little plates. I don't know. Do you think this is upside down? I think you could put it on a table, on a desk. But I think it could be on the wall. I think there's so much potential with this. And of course I take out those middle hangers. But there's tracks in there. There's like the patina on it's really pretty. I see little books and plates. Also in our finds, I found a light globe for a quarter at a Goodwill store, and I was so excited because when Dave and I had the cellar all drywalled and remodeled, the contractor put in a funky modern light. And I went to get other globes and none would fit. And I thought maybe when I saw this at Goodwill, it would fit. It looks like it's out of an old farmhouse, has flowers on it. I really like it. I'm thinking though of painting the gold parts black. So, what do you think?
Hey, Han, why don't you show them our farm signs?
Okay, that's what I was doing. This is our stairwell into our cellar. And it is a finished cellar, but it's like Dave's man cave or the guest bedroom and their own bath. Anyhow, this is all Dave's farm signs. John Deere, all kinds of stuff. Dave got out all his feed sacks, so that's exciting. And where we had an electrical line put in, he smoothed that all out and planted the grass seed. With all the warm days, we're really getting things accomplished around the farm, and spring has sprung. Everything's starting to bloom. It's such a pretty time. We really appreciate you stopping by, and I hope you're having a good day, and we'll see you soon.